happy birthday. Sana lalo kayong magmukhang bata, magmukhang blooming, at sana dumami ang ating mga kapatid. Ayan. Wini-wish ko po sana sa atin lahat ng titles ngayong taon. Wala ko kontra. Ayan. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Rogel! I wish you good health and sana lahat ng titles ngayon taon mapunta sa atin. Miss Universe, Miss International, pati runners-up at lahat sa top 10. And of course, Miss Philippines Earth. Happy birthday, Tito Rogel! Love you! Mwah! Oh, nandun ka! Hi, Tito Rogel! Love you! Mwah!
Gusto ko lang magsabi po, happy birthday talaga, Tito Rogel. I'm very happy that you gave me the chance to be a part of your family, and I'm very happy for you. More blessings to come, more birthdays to come, and I wish you happiness and good health po.
We heard that you plan to join Binibining Pilipinas this year. So what really happened?
Actually, the truth is, I had actually no intentions of joining Binibining Pilipinas. As a matter of fact, in terms of beauty pageants, I don't have any specific plans yet. Pero one day you'll see me one day in the newspapers if I'm gonna join. Kasi I have no specific plans yet.
There are coming national pageants, yung Miss Philippines Earth and Miss Philippines World. So, may bala ka bang sumali?
Well, as a matter of fact, I'm busy right now working. But if I'm given the chance to join either pageants, maybe. But I cannot say which pageant yet.
Okay. So, for the last few years, nagre-reign yung mga Bicolana sa mga national beauty pageant. So, yung huli nga si Venus Rano. So, sa tingin mo ba, this year, mga Bicolana pa rin ba ang mananalo?
Well, hopefully, yes. I'm very proud to be a Bicolana. And I'm very proud for, especially my good friend, Maria Venus Rano. I'm very happy for her success. And I'm very happy to say that Bicol is now the cradle of beauty. But I still believe that all Filipinas are all beautiful.
Thank you very much.